precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about a product review. Also, it is a chota sa story time video about how I got to know about this product. So guys, firstly a little disclaimer that this is my honest view about what I feel about this product, and also you guys, I am extremely sorry for the background noise because guys there is a playground right beside here, so I am extremely sorry for the noise. I cannot help it. Also guys, if you want to know what I feel about this product, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But guys, before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leo Vin, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. Alright you guys, let's start quickly with the video. So firstly, it's time for the product reveal, and the product that I will be reviewing today is this. It is from Dr. Rachel. It is their vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum, which contains hyaluronic acid, and it comes in such kind of a packaging you guys. So firstly हम story time start करते हैं. So guys, the very first thing is how I got introduced to this product. So guys, I got this product in a collaboration. Yes guys, of course it was a Bata collab you guys. But guys, let me make it extremely clear at this point itself that this is not at all any kind of a sponsored video. And जो भी views दूंगी मैं इस product को लेके, these are my views, my 100% honest views. मुझे ये collaboration में रिसीव हुआ था. And when you get collabs ना, you get forms from various agencies, so you need to fill those forms. And ऐसा ही कुछ एक text message मुझे आया था about this brand. And to be very honest guys, I was not aware of this brand. So जब मुझे text message receive हुआ था, then I started my research about this brand. Then I got to know कि Dr. Rachel नाम का कोई brand exist करता है. And I was amazed to see the skincare products because बहुत variety थी skincare products की on their side. And I was puzzled कि यार मुझे ये brand के बारे में कैसे नहीं पता. So that's how I got to know about this brand. So guys, for the collaboration deliverables expected were YouTube short. इस product के लिए I was equally excited because it was a new product for me, right? So I was so excited to try this out. So that's why मैंने इसका पूरी bottle use की है. So सबसे पहले let me start with the packaging. इस तरह की पैकेजिंग में आती है, which is white cardboard box with various tones of orange on it, as it is a vitamin C serum, and oranges and lemons also contain vitamin C, so that's why. Cardboard box पे you get the details of the name of the product. It is their vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum, which contains hyaluronic acid, suits all skin types. It is dermatologically tested, and also इसके benefits जो भी है वो भी यहीं पे mentioned है. So yeah. And on the back side of the packaging you get the details about its benefits, its ingredients, directions, and also warning sign is also given that it is for external use, and skin irritation या discomfort हुआ तो please discontinue use. Also on the packaging itself you get the details about the product, that is the batch number, the manufacturing and expiry date, its MRP, as well as the MRP per ml is also mentioned, and it is said that it is made in India. It retails for 399 rupees for about 30 ml of product. Its shelf life is 3 years. As soon as we open the packaging we get this, जिसमें serum रखा हुआ है, and this is how this bottle looks guys. This beauty looks so luxurious. It is a glass bottle with a white dropper. इस पे भी it is written Dr. Rachel. It is vitamin C brightening and anti-aging serum which contains hyaluronic acid. इसके ingredients की list and every other thing is mentioned on the packaging itself. And as soon as we open this The serum is transparent in color. Talking about the fragrance, you guys, fragrance is थोड़ी एकदम minute सी ज़्यादा harsh, because let me tell you, I am the kind of person, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you might be knowing that I have sensitive skin and I prefer my products with absolutely no fragrance or a calming or soothing fragrance. But you guys, if you are using this for the first time, then you might notice कि इसकी fragrance ना बहुत ज़्यादा overwhelming लगती है, but as you continue its use, you will notice that इसकी fragrance से you get used to it. So yeah, that was the case with me also. So firstly मुझे बहुत overpowering लगी थी fragrance, but now I am used to this fragrance, so it doesn't bother me that much. Guys, if you wanna know, you can see मैंने इतनी बॉटल पूरी यूज कर ली है, and this is just the amount of serum that is left for me to use. मैं इसे यूज करती हूँ in the morning as well as at night. एंड गाइज लेट मी टेल यू कि मैं इसे सिर्फ नेक रीजन पे ही यूज करती हूँ, बिकॉज यू माइट बी नोइंग कि मुझे नेक रीजन पे डार्कनेस है ड्यू टू द फ्रेग्रेंसेस आई अप्लाइड मे बी, बट आई वांटेड द स्किन ऑन द नेक रीजन टू गेट ब्राइटेंड अप, इसीलिए आई ओनली यूज vitamin C on my neck only. And guys, I have used this product for over a month now. मैंने इसे I guess 1.5 मंथ समथिंग हो गए हैं एंड मैंने इतना इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ कर लिया है, एंड इसीलिए आई फील दैट येस आई कैन प्रोवाइड यू ऑल with 100% ऑनेस्ट रिव्यूज अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. भले ही ये मुझे कोलैबोरेशन में रिसीव हुआ है, बट येस आई विल बी गिविंग यू माई ऑनेस्ट व्यूज सो यू कैन रिलाई ऑन दोज रिव्यूज. येस, so talking about my reviews, you guys, I will not say this product doesn't work. It works, but you guys, the pace is extremely slow. Let me make it extremely clear कि ये बहुत slowly work करेगा. इसे use करने के लिए you need patience, you guys. Also guys, everyone's skin is different, so you need to do a patch test कि ये आपके skin को irritate तो नहीं कर रहा, because you guys, I have seen certain reviews on YouTube saying कि इस सीरम की वजह से उन्हें रैशेस आ गए एंड स्टफ. सो या दैट माइट बी द केस मे बी विद देम, बट मुझे इस प्रोडक्ट ने बिल्कुल हार्म नहीं किया है. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू कैन सी जो यहाँ जो डार्कनेस था वो रिमूव हो चुका है यू गाइज. यहाँ एक्सट्रीम डार्कनेस नहीं है. आई डोंट नो इफ द कैमरा इज एबल टू कैप्चर इट और नॉट, बट द मिडल ऑफ माई नेक रीजन इज क्लियर. बट जो डार्कनेस यहाँ था due to the perfumes and fragrances I used, that was extremely harsh. And harsh hyperpigmentation को treat करने के लिए you need patience. I had patience, but now I think I ran out with this product. So yeah, that's why I decided to do a review video right now itself. And yes you guys, harsh pigmentation को treat करने के लिए it takes time, right? Slow and steady wins the race, है ना? But overall it is a good product. It is a beauty elixir. So yes, it has fragrance. You cannot expect a beauty elixir with absolutely zero fragrance, as it is an elixir you guys. So yeah, fragrance तो रहेगी. It works but slowly. Okay, so yeah guys, these were my views. If you wanna try it out, you may give it a shot, but you guys firstly patch test करो. That is recommended for sure. Okay, patch test करो, and if it is irritating your skin, then please discontinue use. मुझे कोई हार्म नहीं पहुंचाया है इस प्रोडक्ट ने, because I only used it on the neck, because I knew my skin all over the face is एक्सट्रीमली सेंसिटिव. सो कोई भी न्यू प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने से पहले मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा सोच विचार करने के बाद ही उसे यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड प्रेजेंटली आई एम डीलिंग विद एक्ने एंड एक्ने स्पॉट्स, इसीलिए आई एम नॉट यूजिंग विटामिन सी ऑन माई फेस, बी इट फ्रॉम एनी ब्रांड यू गाइस. किसी भी ब्रांड का हो, मैं सिर्फ नेक रीजन को ट्रीट करना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हूँ. सो या बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं समझना गाइस दैट दिस इज अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो. नो, I am providing you with honest reviews you guys. All the reviews that I give on my channel are authentic. I only give reviews only after trying and testing these products. भले ही वो एजेंसीज ने सेंड किए हो या फिर मैंने खुद परचेज किए हो, बट मैं मेरे व्यूअर्स को ऑनेस्ट व्यूज ही दूंगी. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like such kind of honest review videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.